Hello everyone. So today we'll try to solve this question. Contains duplicate. It's a easy question from Leetcode. The question is like we are given an array and we have to see if any element occurs twice. If so, then we'll have to return true. If all the elements are distinct, then we can return false. So what we will implement here is we can use HashMap to store all the elements. So I can create an HashMap integer comma integer map hash map. Okay, so I've created my HashMap which will store in key. It will store the elements like these elements 1 2 3, and in the values it would store the frequency, and we will check if the frequency is greater than 2. Then I can say that any element occurred twice, right? So that will return me true. And if every max value of occurrence frequency is 1, then all the elements are distinct, right? So this is the implement the logic, and we will implement this in the code. We have created an hash map, correct? Now I will add all the numbers from the given array into the hash map. Check first if map dot contains the value. So here we are checking first if the element if the map contains that element or not, and if it contains, then what we do is we will use map.put. So in hash maps we always use put or get. Put is used to update or add the values, and dot get to retrieve the data, right? So map.put if it contains the value put the value, and map get value plus 1. So I will tell you what we're trying to do is like if the value is already stored in the map, so what we want is to just update the values frequency. So map.put we will use to update, and and then map.get to get the value as in the frequency of that particular element, or you suppose you can call value as well, and just increase it by 1, and then else just simply add the value into the map with frequency 1, right? And I can make a variable that will count the frequency. So I can use if statement. So how will I get the value of the value frequency? So we are trying to get the frequency of the map of particular value, and we will check if it crosses the maximum frequency we have assigned here. And I want the maximum, like the max frequency should contain a maximum value in the iteration. So what we can do is we can use this dot function max frequency comma map dot get value. Correct. And this is the max frequency we got, and I should use return statement here. Return if max frequency greater than 1. So this is correct. This is running absolutely fine. And I'll try to submit this. Oh yeah, here we go. Thank you guys.